Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So, children, today we'll start Science Chapter 7 Keeping Safe. Students, before we start our chapter, first we read poem of this chapter. Okay, and the title is Safety. Let's start. These are the rules that we obey to keep us safe at school and play. Practice staying out of danger. Never talk to any stranger. When you ride your bike at night, make sure you wear something white. Red means stop, yellow means wait, and green means go, go, go. These are the rules that keeps us safe. The very best rule to know. Students, please learn this poem and write this poem in your science notebook. Let's start our chapter. Students, an accident is any sudden event that may cause damage or injury to people and property. Accident can hurt or injure us for a long time. A little caution can prevent many accidents from taking place. They can take place inside your home, on the playground, in the school, and even in the park where you play. Some accidents may be minor, while some may be major, even resulting in death. A few safety rules, if followed, can prevent accidents. These rules are: Number 1, let's discuss safety at home. Never scatter toys, peels of fruits, utensils, etc. on the floor. A person might trip and fall and hurt himself. Number 2, do not climb up and rush down the stairs quickly and faster. Always hold the banister gently. Never slide down a banister. You may fall and injure yourself. And third one, while in the kitchen, keep away from the gas flame. Never reach for anything by stretching above the gas burner. Your clothes may catch fire. Next, in the bathroom, never touch any electrical fitting with wet hands. You might get a shock. Never use your mother's cosmetic or your father's razors and blades. You can get an allergy or a nasty cut. And last one is, all medicines and poisonous things have to be labeled and stored out of reach of the children. Do not take any medicine on your own. Always consult a doctor. Now students, next, safety on road. Most accidents on road occur due to our own carelessness. Roads are not meant for playing. While using roads, remember the following. Number 1, always use the footpath while walking. If there is no footpath, walk on the extreme left of the road. Number 2, cross only at a zebra crossing. In the absence of one, look to your right, then to the left, and again to the right, and cross only when the road is clear. Next, when the crosswalk sign changes to red and the pedestrian have to stop walking. Next, when on a cycle, always use the left side of the road. Be careful at crossroad and turnings. Be careful at crossroads and turnings. Look out for speeding vehicles. Next, when sitting in a car, always use the seat belt and sit in the back seat of the car. Always obey the traffic policeman and the traffic signals. And last one is beware of a stranger and avoid them. So students, please learn safety rules on road and safety at home. This is first part of this chapter. Rest of the chapter we will discuss in our next session. Okay, thank you and God bless you all.